All right, that was 5 pounds of my Yukon potatoes in my crock pot. I'm gonna grab 1 stick of melted butter and just drizzle it right on to our potatoes. This is just gonna add some great moisture for this easy side dish. Best way to do potatoes. Next, I'm bringing in my parsley, and I did wash my parsley. I just keep it in the rubber band to keep it easier to cut into my crock pot. And I'm just adding a generous amount of my Italian parsley right into with my potatoes. Now, if you don't like parsley, you can do like a rosemary or a basil, but I think with the flavors that I'm using today, the parsley is just gonna go beautifully. It smells so fresh, so delicious. We are keeping it nice and clean today so that we can have a fresh, delicious side dish. The next herb I'm bringing in is some dill. Now, just like with the parsley, if you don't like dill, you can skip it or switch it out, but I think the dill is gonna add a fun flavor to our potatoes. I absolutely love making this side dish. It's great for, a big party, or if you have a Sunday dinner where your whole family comes over, this is gonna be a winner. And it's so easy, all in your crock pot. You don't take up any space in your oven, and everyone will love it. Ooh, that looks good. All right, now this wouldn't be a Justine Cameron dish without some garlic. So we have 2 bulbs of garlic that we are putting right in there. Oh, these are just gonna get nice and roasted and toasted in the crock pot and release some delicious juices. All right, now for seasonings, we're gonna start off with some onion powder. Now you can get really creative with the seasonings. This is really what's gonna bring all the flavor into our potatoes. So we are gonna go heavy with our seasonings. We're of course gonna add some garlic powder, just complement that garlic we're adding. And who doesn't love a good garlic potato, right babe?
Yeah, I love garlic potatoes with butter.
Oh yeah. Now this would be perfect for a potluck, for Sunday church, whatever you wanna make it for. Everyone is gonna eat it up. They can just grab their potatoes and enjoy, put it with a nice roast beef if you are making one of those. But we did just give that a little bit of salt because all potatoes need salt. Now, of course, with salt, you gotta do pepper. This is just gonna help with all of those flavors, give a nice little kick. I am gonna go a little heavy on this because pepper just adds the best flavor.
That was a lot of pepper.
Oh yeah, and we're not even done yet. Italian seasoning. I tried this week and I absolutely loved it. So of course it's going in here. Like I said, we're going heavy with those seasonings. We do not want bland potatoes, okay? Perfect. Yum, yum. Now I know we did add butter, but that's not gonna be enough moisture for this. So we are gonna add some extra virgin olive oil. Now you could do all butter or all oil, but I like to do a combination of the two. It just really gives some depth to our potatoes. And we're just doing a nice little drizzle. Make sure they all get a little coated, helps that seasoning seep down to the bottom potatoes. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna move this to the side because we are gonna grate our Parmesan. Like I said, I'm keeping it fresh and clean for you guys because you guys have been complaining about the processed food, but we're gonna make it nice and delicious today. Okay, so we have our cheese grater because we do need it. Grated cheese, and we're gonna take out our Parmesan. This one doesn't have a rind on it, which is my favorite part because we don't have to cut nothing. We can just go in and shred our cheese. All right, it's my favorite kitchen utensil. Look at all that cheese coming out. Woo! This is gonna be delicious. We're gonna grate this whole block of Parmesan. All right, we've got that whole wedge of cheese nice and grated. And of course, let's go on with our potatoes. Oh yeah. I know that might seem like a lot, but remember that's 5 pounds of potatoes. So we're gonna need that cheese.
Never too much cheese.
Okay, now this is ready to start cooking. We're gonna go ahead and put the lid on and pop this on high. All right, it's been 3 hours on high. Let's go ahead and turn this off and let's check it out. Woo! Hot and ready. Oh my goodness, I'm just gonna give this a little mix, get that cheese a little bit more incorporated. These look absolutely delicious. Okay. Oh, and that garlic. Okay, I'm gonna start off with these 2 because I'm not that hungry. Let's go ahead and smash them. Oh, perfectly cooked. Mm-mm-mm. All right. Oh my gosh. Amazing flavor, perfectly cooked. You have to try it.